Happy Monday, everybody. You know, this week, reflecting on the team, we thought we'd do some little more fun. It's been a tough year for everybody. COVID-19, busy season, due dates, payroll loans, a million different things. So this week, just do something fun. Take a little bit of hall pass. Relax, take a break, unwind, do something fun and interesting for yourself this week. Just tell everybody that the team over the Entrepreneurial CPA show gave you permission to have a hall pass this week. Do something for yourself. Take care of yourself. Relax, pause. Enjoy the summer. Practice safe social distancing, but do something for yourself.
Are you tired of too much noise and junk cluttering up your inbox? Do you wish you can get the exact knowledge that you need and want, and not just another generic email blast that you won't read? I know you do. That is why it is time for a change. You need to subscribe to the Entrepreneurial CPA channel newsletter powered by artificial intelligence. Our AI program learns what you like to read and provides you more of the content you consume. Stop the noise, stop the junk, get what you need. Click on the link and subscribe today. Take steps to invest in yourself.